My name's Wyatt Tucker. I studied automotive electrical technology at Kangan Institute. Originally from SA, I came over to Victoria to a little town called Edenhope where the family farm is, and we have a small automotive business. The shop is Tucker's Auto Care. Normally have a two-car flow. There's only two people, so you only can work on two cars at the same time. I work with my mentor, which just happens to be my father, and we work on cars and everything automotive. Every day's different. We have tractors, machinery, we've got farm, plant equipment, everything to older cars, restoration, which is really our bread and butter, but naturally being in a small community, we have to be open up to smash repairs and really anything that comes in the door to get people back on the road. Everyone in my family was car orientated. Working out in the shed with my dad when growing up, he was restoring cars, and I really wanted to learn what I grew up with, and I thought, well, how awesome would it be to learn the skills that my dad had. Not only have I studied automotive electrical, but I first started automotive refinishing, then moved over to auto body, and then finished with auto electrical. I didn't originally think that I was going to do 3 apprenticeships, but the need of cars going to EV and hybrids, you've got high voltage to deal with in the car, so you need to be able to depower them, and that's where auto electrical comes in. It's come full circle. Kangan Institute's Automotive Centre of Excellence. The facilities are just, fantastic. To go down and spend a week at Kangan gives you a great preset to what you need to bring back home and develop your own business. You can't fully plan, quote, process the job without knowing what is behind what you're repairing. We need to get this car back on the road. It needs to be painted, primed, panels fitted, maybe things welded, repaired. So in a small shop, that's vital. So the future, so this is a little bit of a trial period to see how much need and demand there was. So we bought 1.6 acres and we actually built a brand new workshop. Word of mouth is just so huge. It goes out to the farmers, to the neighbouring towns, and it's pretty vital because we all work together.